What if I told you that the reason you're exhausted at the end of the workday isn't your workload? Is it your chair? The silent culprit is sitting right beneath you for 8 hours a day. That dull ache in your lower back, the stiffness in your shoulders, and the tension crawling up your neck by 3 p.m. aren't just normal office pains. They're warning signs, and most of us ignore them because we assume discomfort is just part of working hard. But now, we have a solution for this. Let's talk about the ProtoArc EC200, an ergonomic office chair built around one simple idea. Your chair should adapt to you, not the other way around. In reality, most office chairs look ergonomic at first glance. They've got the mesh back, maybe a headrest, a couple of adjustment levers. You sit down and think, this feels fine. But give it 3 hours, then 5, then 8, and slowly your posture collapses. But with the EC200, the biggest difference is how much less discomfort develops. Once you adjust the lumbar and seat depth, you stop doing that slow slump and slide forward as the day goes on. And honestly, that's where this chair starts to stand out. On paper, a lot of chairs can look impressive, but in actual day-to-day use, the EC200 feels like one of those products that makes more sense the longer you sit in it. It's not trying to be flashy or over-engineered, it just gets the important things right. And for an ergonomic chair in this range, that alone makes it genuinely easy to recommend. It is one of the best value ergonomic chairs under $200 because once you start using it, it doesn't feel like a budget chair. Usually when chairs stay under the $200 mark, you expect at least one compromise to show up fast. Maybe the lumbar feels weak, the recline feels cheap, or the seat comfort drops off after an hour or two. But here, the EC200 feels like it borrowed features from chairs that usually sit a tier above it, which is why the value feels real rather than just technical. Moreover, it has a two-way adjustable lumbar support, meaning you can move it up and down to match your spine's height and forward and backward to control the depth. That's crucial. Everyone's spine has a slightly different curve. If lumbar support is too high, it pushes the wrong part of your back. Too low, and it does nothing. Too shallow, and your lower back still collapses. But with the EC200, you fine-tune it until it actually meets your spine exactly where it should. Furthermore, many chairs add a headrest as an afterthought, but this one includes a 3D adjustable headrest that moves vertically and horizontally and tilts to your preferred angle. That means whether you're sitting upright in deep focus mode or reclining during a long phone call, your neck stays supported. In addition, it also includes a sliding seat that locks into multiple positions. If your seat is too short, your thighs don't get proper support, which increases pressure on your hips. If it's too long, it presses into the back of your knees and restricts circulation. Proper seat depth allows you to sit all the way back against the lumbar support while keeping a small gap behind your knees. Then we have the Recline. EC200 offers multiple tilt angles ranging from a focused upright 90 degrees to a relaxed 130 degrees. You can lock it into different positions and adjust the tension so it doesn't feel loose or unstable. That matters because sitting in one rigid position for hours is unnatural. Unlike thick padded chairs that trap heat, mesh keeps air circulating so you stay cool and comfortable. The EC200 is also built to accommodate a wide range of users, generally from about 5 foot 4 inches to 6 foot 3 inches, with a weight capacity of around 280 pounds. Now, think of height ranges for a bit. Around 170 centimeters, you can bring the seat depth in a bit and set the lumbar slightly higher. Around 180 centimeters, it hits a really natural sweet spot, while raising and angling the headrest keeps your neck supported without pushing your head forward. And personally, we think that height range is one of the chair's biggest practical strengths. A lot of brands list wide fit compatibility, but once you actually sit in the chair, only one height range really feels dialed in. Here, the adjustments feel usable enough that different people can actually find a setup that works instead of just making do. The point is, the adjustments aren't just there for show. You can genuinely tune this chair to feel right across different heights, which is exactly what you want before spending your money. This is what the ProtoArc EC200 is doing. It bridges the gap between affordability and true ergonomic function. So the next time your back starts aching halfway through the day, don't just stretch and ignore it. Don't assume discomfort is normal. Ask yourself a better question. Is my chair actually supporting me? The ProtoArc EC200 is designed to answer that question. It won't magically fix bad habits overnight, but it gives you the tools to build better ones. And sometimes, the smartest upgrade you can make isn't flashy, it's foundational. Your body carries you through your career. Maybe it's time your chair carried you properly too.